mind. So let's do what we gotta do. Let's do it, guys. Whatever it is that we need to do, let's do it. Let's just do it. Do it with the end game in mind to say, this is what I'm gonna do and this is how I'm gonna do it. Have a plan, ban a plan, but learn how to actually get things done. Learn how to make things happen. Like even me, just hook up on that energy of like, let's do what we have to do. 6 a.m. and thoughts are popping up and everything's clear. Everything's clear, nobody's disturbing you before the day starts. Whatever decisions you have made and whatever you slept on, you gotta wake up. Whatever you slept up on, you gotta wake up. Free your mind, guys. Let's free our minds. Let's free our minds. Let's learn how to do things. Let's get to it. Because if you don't do it, nobody's gonna do it for you. So let's get in. Catalyst Google just joined. Welcome, Catalyst Google. We are live. Tulufelo also just joined. Welcome, Tulufelo. We are live. We are live. So gotta do what we gotta do. Christoph and Karin just joined. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live, guys. Just the morning session and you just gotta do what we gotta do. Let me just flip it for you to see what I am doing. As I know that we have to do what we have to do. Let me just flip the camera.